Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And now, as I'm sure a lot of you know, I have quite a few of these DoogleBooks LCD writing tablets. This one is different from the other two that I have in that it's a partial erase board. Well, something new has come to my attention on this board very recently regarding the partial erase feature. On my review, basically what I did was just hit the button once, and you can just see an LED flashing gently there. Hopefully you can see that, guys. And that gives you a very gentle partial erase. Let's have a look at that. Right, and so we can push this button here, the bin, a couple of times, and you can see the board flash there and it deletes the whole lot. Okay, so if we pop something else on there again and we hit the partial erase board once, hopefully you can see this LED flashing just here, and it gives you the chance to erase. But it takes a lot of work to erase what you've just put on at this particular setting. But if you press it a second time, you can see it picking up the flash goes a little bit faster, and we get a much better erase on there. It erases it much quicker and easier. Push it a third time, you'll see it will flash 3 times, and this gives you a much better erase. You can erase stuff much quicker than you could with the first setting. And you've got to cancel it as well. Push the button again and cancel it before you can write on there again. So if we just clear that, right in. So just to run over it again, single click, one flash, every 2 seconds or so. It gives you a very gentle erase. As you can see, it's not taking a lot off. Press it again, you get double flash every 2 seconds or so. Gives you a bit stronger erase. Press it again, and we get 3 flashes, and we get a much stronger erase effect. So you can erase whatever's on the board a lot quicker and a lot easier. So just to recap once again, this is the permanent erase button right here. So we can just draw something artistic like so. A couple of taps, and it goes. Draw something equally artistic. And we have the, just press it once and we can see the LED will flash once every 2 seconds. You press it again, you get a double flash every 2 seconds. You press it a third time and you'll get 3 flashes every 2 seconds. And this is the strongest erase setting. This feature, this partial erase feature, is only available on the partial erase board. It's this one here. You can see the difference between the a standard board, because it's got the bin just here, so it's one button there to bin it. The Pro board has a button down the bottom here to erase the whatever you've written on there. This is not a partial erase board. This is not a partial erase board. You're looking at for one with the 2 buttons just here. Comes in a multitude in colours, I think several colours. I have one board in pink, this one the partial erase in blue, and the Pro board only comes in the black. So you will only get the partial erase feature on the partial erase board. And I would just like to thank DoogleBooks for supplying all 3 of these boards and a few other bits and pieces as well. So thank you very much to all my friends at DoogleBooks. If you have just purchased one of these DoogleBooks partial erase boards and finding the erase feature not as good as you were expecting it to, I believe they are having the instructions rewritten, but just click the button once for the weakest erase function, press it again, and you get 2 double flashes here, there we go, and then push it a third time and you get 3 flashes every 2 seconds, and that is the strongest erase feature on the board. Okay then everyone, I hope you enjoyed this little chapter 2 of the DoogleBooks partial erase board, explaining to you how you can use the erase facility here. There are, as I say, there are 3 different settings to it, so yeah, if you've got one, try them out. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the review, this chapter 2 even. I hope you'll pop back to Rathbone Manor, because I might very well have something from DoogleBooks in the future. I don't know yet. I don't know what new bits and pieces they're getting out just yet, but hopefully I shall get something from them in the very near future, so keep an eye on the channel guys. Alright then, thanks for popping over, thanks for watching, and I will catch you laters!
Ruff, ruff.